Guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Sip Spy. Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription box. This is a customized, I was going to say customated. I guess that is a word. Customized, curated selection just for you. So when you sign up for Sip Spy, you fill out a little style survey and they go through the things you like, you don't like, all that stuff. What kind of caffeine levels you want, because you can just get herbals, you can get highly caffeinated, you can get a mix of both. I'm out of breath now. And they will send you each month 4 different teas. So from there, you can try all your teas and then go on their website and further customize your box, which I think is really cool. Along with that, you also get discounts in case off the retailers in case you want to buy more of certain teas. It's great discovery. You see what I'm saying? I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Sip Spy with my affiliate link. Other than that, I should tell you my own personal preferences, I guess. I like a mix of both herbal and caffeinated. I love florals. And yeah, I like to go into it telling you guys and seeing how it kind of how it stacks up when you think of it that way. Boxes are $15 a month. I should add that in as well. All right, this is my August teas. You flip it over and then there are little descriptions about each of the teas that you receive. We'll go over that at the end of the unboxing. All right, first up I see from Vahdam. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 bags of this Assam exotic black tea. Assam is a really nice tea. I have actually learned a lot about myself. So I know these all come with steeping instructions. They say 3 to 5 minutes. I can't let my tea steep that long. And I looked it up why. I looked up why I always get a tummy ache. I get after I drink, I'm sorry, my nose is itchy. I'm not picking my nose. After I drink black tea, I will get a tummy ache. And it's a weird kind of tummy ache I only get after I drink black tea, not coffee. So I looked up why do I get a tummy ache after I drink tea? And the tannins, there's more tannins in tea than there are. So the longer you steep it, it affects different people differently. So everybody's a tolerance or whatever. Mine is like the steeping time. Like I literally started putting my tea bag in, my black tea bag, a minute and taking it out. Once it starts to get a little bit of color, that's it. It's out of there. So FYI, if anybody out there has ever had that issue, just steep less time. That's what it is. Anyway, that's the thing with Assam. I thought of that. I was like, I'm going to share that with everybody. The world's freshest tea leaves direct from India's choicest tea gardens. This is their 100% pure single origin certified Assam tea. So there are 4 bags of that. Every box from Sip Spy comes with a little package of disposable tea bags because you will receive loose leaf tea. All right, then we have from Choice Organics 1, 2, 3, and hold on, 1 more. 4 of their green tea, Japanese green. So this is not as caffeinated as a black tea. It's kind of somewhere in the middle, and it just has organic green tea. There are 4 bags of that as well. All right, then we have, look at this cute little package. This is from Tea Goblin. That's a new one. This is the Piquant Peach, a redemption story. The teas, the spices, the apples, and the quinces, the lemons and oranges, plump unpecked cherries, melons and raspberries, bloom down cheeked peaches, swart-headed mulberries, wild freeborn cranberries, crab apples, dewberries, pineapples, blackberries, apricots, strawberries were but a humble offering in that market centuries ago. We goblins are here merely to ply our wares, the succulent leaf potions we conjure up in the forest. Come taste, come taste. Inspired by the poem Goblin Market by Christina Rossetti. So in this, the ingredients are organic apple, organic rosehip, organic white hibiscus, organic sweet blackberry leaves, organic roasted chicory root, natural flavoring, organic peach, and organic marigold. So that sounds yummy. I've never heard of this brand. And this is obviously an herbal tea. So that sounds delicious. And I love the package. All right, the final tea is another loose leaf. This is from Cat Sprung Yaupon. Yaupon is something that's grown here in America. It is called like wild yaupon. And so this is Pedernales green yaupon. So It's Texan for tea. So yes, this is like a caffeinated tea that is grown here in the United States. I've only ever seen it in Sips by Boxes. I've never heard of it anywhere else. It is, I'm trying to describe it. It's different. I like it. I think it's really nice. So it does give you steeping instructions. It is tannin free. That's probably why I like it looking back now. And so there is that. All right, here's that. I just was done talking about that. All right, let's look at our little card here. So the Japanese Green by Choice Organics has just organic green tea, and that is low caffeine. The Pecan Peach from Tea Goblin, we went through the litany of items that are included in that. Very delicious organic selection, and it is caffeine free. The Assam Exotic is a high caffeine, which only includes Assam black tea. And then the Pedernales Green Yaupon. I'm going to read to you guys. Yaupon is the only caffeinated plant native to North America. That's what I remember. Clean and refreshing, this green Yaupon tastes great hot or cold. It celebrates the tranquility of the Pedernales River. That includes just Yaupon. And that is medium caffeine. So my caffeine runs the gamut of caffeine-free, low caffeine, medium, and high caffeine. I think that's really fun. Anyway, like I said, I will link down below to Sips By with my affiliate link if you're interested in checking them out. I will also link to my full review on my blog if you're interested in checking that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.